pre-journaling guided meditation. Welcome to the space you have opened to prepare for your journaling practice. This meditation will help you connect to your inner self, opening up the door to transformational work. Before you do your daily journaling, dedicate a few minutes to listen to this meditation. Resting comfortably, with your spine offering support to your entire body. Close your eyes gently. Start breathing mindfully, recognizing the vital energy traveling through the airways and reaching every cell. Inhale long and deeply. Exhale long and deeply. Listen to your breath. Make it audible. Breathing in through your nose. Breathing out through your nose. The sound relaxes your body. The breathing rhythm starts calming down. It also relaxes your mind and your nervous system because it connects you to a known sensation of safety. Recognize the stages in the breathing process. Notice the expansion stage. And also notice the contraction stage. During the expansion, you open up, you welcome in nourishment. During the contraction, you release the old, the stuck. You let go of what doesn't serve you. A perfect balance that invites you to connect to your inner world and observe what is going on today, what you need today. Breathe in openness and calm. Breathe out resistance and limitations. Take a closer look at the state of your integral being, your emotional body, your mental body, your spiritual body, and your physical body. Which area requires your attention today? What can you focus on during your journaling? Connect to your inner wisdom, that source of knowledge that has all the answers. Sit in silence for as long as you need to and allow the answers to come up. Now that you have some ideas, take your journal and write. Remember that your journaling practice is very personal and unique. the way you choose to do it will be the right way for you. When you are ready to start, open your eyes.